Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. I absolutely did with my family and friends. Shout out to CC's Texas Garden, and she is Sunshine for coming to celebrate with me and my family on Christmas Eve. We had a ball, y'all. Didn't get nothing on video. I'm out in the garden today just checking on everything, and I see some stuff has volunteered in the garden. Like, let me turn you guys around so I can show you the first thing that I saw as I walked out here today. So this right here is a squash. I had several squash in this bucket right here that disintegrated, and I guess the seeds dropped, but it's growing in between, that. So I guess I'll try to dig it up and replant it. The second thing I see as I'm talking to you guys is this over here, and it looks like green onions. And that's exactly what it is. Just willy-nilly growing in right here. Okay, that's pokeweed. But here is another, what is this? I don't even know. Probably a seed that I done dropped right here. I have to see what that is, because some of it look spiky. I don't know. We'll see before I go to claiming. The broccoli is broccoli-ing. So this one right here. Oh, sucky now. And it's got a lot of heads on it. What? Yes. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, and the other broccoli that we cut the head off. This one is broccoli in too. What? Look how big that thing is, y'all. Yes. I still have not pulled up. Oh, that turnip green is getting humongous in that soil. Y'all see right there? Yeah. As you guys can see, I have not uncovered nothing. And I think I just might leave. As I say that, no, I'm not going to leave that on there. It's going to get cold again. Today is Friday. It's going to get cold again Monday. So I don't even know why I'm taking this off of here. But everybody need a little sunlight and fresh air. Right. It's not like it's not getting sunlight underneath these covers. And it's not like it's not getting fresh air either. All right. Let's move this out the way. Put that right there. So what I am going to do, I'm not going to take this one completely off, but I am going to raise it up, like just fold it and keep it right there to make it easier for when Monday comes, when the cold comes. That tree, this one is still, you see. All right, so we got that taken care of. I just left it up there to make it easier for me the next time I come out here. The grapevine is doing okay. It has a little bit of yellowing, but it's okay. Peach tree is still doing good. She's still green. That tree is Brazilian. It's not going nowhere. Those grapevines are starting to grow from the cuttings that I took. So that's doing well. Everything over here is doing fine. The calamundan is doing fine. It's doing real well. It's still sticking me. Still sticking me. The peanut, I think the peanut has to grow in the ground, y'all. But anyway, let's go over here and check this one and see if we are producing any. Oh, and we do. More broccoli. And y'all, can y'all see over there? I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Right there. Those potatoes that I just threw over here, they are starting to grow. So yeah, I purchased 2 bags of the Kellogg's soil. So I'm gonna put that inside of this bed today. Oh, and my garlic that I put in here is starting to grow, y'all. I was getting scared. I'm like, my garlic has been in the ground for at least a month, 2 months, and it wasn't doing nothing. But I see now that it is starting to grow. So I'm excited about that. So let's get this soil in this bed right here. don't know why y'all so crooked. Okay, meanwhile, while I'm over here in this section, let's cut this banana, the old leaves off of here, and see if we can get it, keep it healthy. I don't know. This one is, that's the main one. Lord. Yeah, I see Miss Linda. Actually she cut a whole banana plant back. I'm not gonna do that because I don't know what I'm doing. And she told me cut these leaves off at least 2 weeks ago, and I didn't. Don't fuss at me, Miss Linda. Child, if I can get some snips that actually work. You get what you pay for. This leaf is hanging on. I don't know. I'm gonna go for it. If I can get it cut. All right, y'all, I cut it back. So we shall see. If not, I tried. All right, and then there is something else that I want to do. I want to pull up these tomatoes right here in this section. But first, we need to take off these towels, which I know are good and wet because it rained the other day. And there's ants and roly-polies. Goodness gracious. Bananas are doing well over here. Oh no, partner. You is not about to do that. Got him. Eat that up, roly-polies. Tackling my daggone plant. And you get off of there too. Where's my pak choy? I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go to seed. They're both going to seed. This one is not, but they are. So I'm gonna let them go to seed. And that is going to be all for the garden today. I gotta go to work. And it looks like it's going to rain. Let me sit y'all down. Maybe I can get Santa to bring me a tripod for Christmas. Even though Christmas is gone. Fix my earring. All right, y'all. So that is it for me in the garden today. Have to get to work. Thank y'all for tuning in. Share me with your family and your friends. Hit that like button. It's free 99, y'all. Free 99. Comment below. Let me know what you guys are going to be growing this upcoming season. Here in Texas, we have not stopped growing. It's slowed down, but we have not stopped growing. We haven't had a real winter here. It's been cold a couple of days, but and then in the 30s for one day, just enough to kill your plants, and then go back to 97 degrees. No, I'm kidding with the 97 degrees. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm Salon DivaV in the place to be, y'all. My garden. Peace.